Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 18th, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, I wanted to start off on the full top-down analysis because I don't really care if you're trading the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. The full monthly time frame and all the way down analysis is so important no matter what time frame you're trading for the primary direction. So on the monthly time frame, I actually think gold is so extremely clear on these high time frames. So we have the end of a correction. The last end of a correction on gold last was way back here in 2022. Then we have impulsive up wave one, corrective down wave two. We have higher highs, higher lows the whole way up for a wave three. We do not have any proof whatsoever that this wave three is over. Just because we made a little bit of a pullback and we definitely did bounce from a fib level doesn't prove that this is over. A lower high or a break of structure would prove that it's over. And even when we do prove it's over, it's just going to end up making a pullback, which a pullback would probably last almost a year for wave four, and then probably up for wave five. So definitely still very bullish overall on gold. Going down to the weekly time frame, we've been very sideways for about 4 weeks now, but we have not been able to even make an engulfing move to the downside. This week we were able to go below the previous candle, but it was not able to hold below that previous candle, which tells me that we still need to be bullish because this thing could easily just keep on going up. We have no break of structure, we have no lower high, we don't even have an engulfing move to the downside on the weekly. So, I mean, we have to come to the realization there's nothing stopping gold from going up a lot more. So, going down to the daily time frame now, yes, we have been going down overall on the daily time frame, but to me, which I think it's clearer on the 4 hour, this is impulsive down wave A, this is an expanding ABC of B, this is impulsive down wave C, 61% fib bounce. Now, we don't really have proof that it's over yet because it hasn't broken up yet, but we could have the end of a crescent coming in and we could have the continuation of the uptrend. Now, it could be a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five, but even if it is, it would just be a wave three, four, five of the monthly time frame wave three. We would still be in a wave three on the monthly if this really is a three, four, five on the daily. So hopefully you understand how trends subdivide onto multiple time frames. If you do, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If I zoom out a little bit on the 4 hour time frame, this is where the clarity of this pullback starts to really shine because we got impulsive down wave A, we got one, two, three waves up A, one, two, three waves down B, one, two, three, four, five waves up C. And expanding flat is supposed to be three, three, five, which is exactly what that is. So I think we have an expanding flat wave B. We got a wave A here. And then we have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. It did go beyond the 61%, but it definitely did react to that 61%. We need to see either a break of structure or a significant higher low, and we are getting a significant higher low. If this is the end of a correction, which I'm not going to be confident that it is until we get this break of structure, if it is the end of a correction, then it should go up and give us a break of structure, probably make some more pullbacks, and it should go all the way back up to all-time highs and probably even beyond. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm not going to be 100% confident until we get this break of structure right around the 3,270 area. But we definitely got impulsive up. We definitely got what looks like corrective down. We got a 61% fib bounce. I think that there is a good chance that it will go up, it will break structure, and it will end up continuing the uptrend. Now, if for whatever reason it is a wave A and it is a wave B, then it would potentially go up and make a wave C, which would probably go back up to this high, but it would not break structure. It would make a lower high. It would go down. It would give you a break of structure there. Then, excuse me, then it would end up continuing the downtrend. So this is where we got to pay attention because we're either in a wave C, which will do this, make a lower high compared to this structure, and then continue down, or we are in a wave three, which a wave three will go up and break structure and continue the uptrend. So if you're paying attention and you understand how trends subdivide, you definitely should be able to tell the difference between an A, B, C, or a one, two, three. ABC, lower high, continue down. 1, 2, 3, break of structure, pullback, continue up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.